Hi guys, it's John here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put a post in the ground with no concrete. That's right, no concrete. So many times I see handymen, I see builders putting concrete in timber. What happens with concrete in timber? Water can't escape. The water seeps inside the concrete and rottens the post. Now you go to hardware stores and they say, oh yeah, paint the post before you put the concrete in. That's wrong. The old fencing, the old posts had no concrete at all. All it was dirt, bit of cement if you want, and that's about it, and just pack it. You see many fences that are leaning over after 5-6 years. It's because they put concrete. So today I'm going to be showing you to do it the right way. And these are the tools you're going to be needing. You need a shovel, some vices, a hammer, and this in particular, this is called a pinch bar. It's a very, very good tool. You should see it's wide here. You can get a thinner one, depends on your hardware store, what they sell, but you can get a smaller blade, or I'd like to use the bigger blade. I've actually got both. And you would need a leveler. So when the post goes up, we need to level the posts. So the hole we'll be doing is around about the size of the blade, which is around about, you don't want to be doing any bigger than this. This is around about 200 millimeters to 20 centimeters. If you're looking at inches, you're looking around about 8 inches. So we're going to be doing 8 inches by 8 inches. The depths of the hole maximum should be at 550 millimeters, which would be 55 centimeters, or in inches, 21.5 inches. Okay, so we're going to start digging the hole now. All right, so once you find your desired points where you want to put your hole, could be for a veranda, could be for a fence. Then, as I said, 200 mils this way, 200 mils that way, 200 mils this way, also that way. So once you get your 200 mils, push the dirt away and continue digging like this. 200, move it out of the way, keep doing it, digging. As you can see, it's coming up as a square box, and you can see it's the same size as the shovel. You don't want to go any more than that because then it'll be too big. So what we do is now we start digging, moving the soil. The soil here, you're going to need it later on to put it back. And you want good soil, you don't want clay. So we keep digging. Once you've done your square, your 200 by 200 by 200, then you grab your pinch bar and you hit the edges. See, you make a line where your shovel has just been. And this is where the pinch bar is very good. Keep digging like this. All right guys, you see as I've taken out the dirt, we have the clay section, and then on the right here we have the nice dirt section. The dirt section is what we're going to put first back in the hole with a bit of cement. And because the clay is, you can't put it back because it's very hard to compact. This is what we're going to put back into the hole once we've dug our 550 millimeters hole. We've dug our hole 21.5 inches deep. Now the soil that I had was very strong clay. It's very strong clay. So maximum is at least 21.5 inch. Now if you have soft soil, depending on where you are, you can speak to your council, your local council. But generally if you have softer soil, you need to go deeper, at least another 100 mils to 50 mils deeper. And when also digging, when using this tool, see your council, or just be very careful that there's no electrical wires underneath or pipes. Many times I've dug holes, and as I'm using this, I can feel something that, that's why this tool's good. Something that's bounced back. So generally it's a pipe, or it could be some electrical wire. So these tools are very, very good that you don't go too hard as you get around about the 20-inch mark as you dig. So now, we dug the hole, we're going to put the posts in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Once we put the post in the center of the hole, 200 by 200, and the depth is 21.5 inch in this case. As I said, if it soil's not as clayey, you need to go deeper. So in this case, we've put braces here to hold it firm and straight. And now we're going to proceed to put the dirt and a bit of cement. You don't have to use cement, but I'm going to show you how to put the dirt back in the hole. No concrete. Please do not use concrete. As I said before, the concrete destroys the timber. Regardless if you put paint and all that, it won't work. Trust me, this is the best way to do it. It doesn't rot and it lasts at least 30 years. At least 30 years. All right, guys, so now we put a couple shovels. Don't put too much in. And we put it on each side and it's even. So we do like that. Now what we can do is only put a little bit in at a time because we don't want to move the post. So what we're going to do is now pack it with our leveler to start off with. We go all the way around. We be careful not to move the post. And then what we're going to do later is we're going to check the level. So each time you do this, you have to check the level in case it moves. And you keep going until it's hard and firm. As I said, once you finish all this process, the post won't even move, guys, and it's fantastic. Get a little bit of cement if you want, or you can mix this in with the dirt. Just sprinkle a little bit like that, a bit of cement. It's not concrete, it's cement. Tiny bit, no, you don't need much. And what we're going to do now, at the end of that pinch bar, there is a little top that you have, and this is for this purpose, is to pack it. So we just go gently, pack, keep packing. So once you pack it a tiny bit, keep putting more in. And we're going to do that and follow that process until we get to the top. Okay. We've now just finished the hole. We follow the process, putting in 3 shovels and a little bit of cement if you want in the hole. Now, as you notice, I didn't put no water. Please do not put water as you're doing this. It has to be dry and just keep packing it. And each time you keep packing it, you have to keep, every time before you put a shovel in, make sure you use your level. Because once you finish and it's not leveled, you're gonna have to start all over again because you won't be able to pull it or move it. So please ensure each time that you pack it, and once you finish packing, you put some more dirt in, always use the level. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. As you can see, the post has been put in, it's nice and leveled. You cannot move it, it's extremely strong, as if there was concrete in the dirt, extremely strong. And the good thing about it is, as it rains and the water goes into the dirt, you know that the water, as it gets sunny again, the water's gonna evaporate, so it's gonna keep your post dry. That's the main reason not to put concrete and the main reason why I'm showing you this video. All right, guys, this is John here, now signing off. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press like. Until next time, adios, goodbye.